Hello, LT here with 7citiesmarketing.com. Today we will share why affiliate programs are the best training ground for internet marketing newbies. So let's jump right to it. Making money online can be a long and complicated process. It's one thing to promote your own products, but when you're just starting out and want to make some money, where do you start? The answer: affiliate programs. This article focuses on the big picture, the whys of affiliate programs. Next article will talk about the hows of promote affiliate programs. Affiliate programs are easy to implement and simple to understand. No products necessary. You never have to have your own product to make money with affiliate programs. It's all about promoting other people's products. The steps to making money promoting other people's products can be summarized in simple steps. 1. Choose an affiliate program. 2. Obtain an affiliate link from the program you're trying to promote. 3. Create a site that has your affiliate link. 4. Prospects who click on your link will be redirected to the website that has the product you're promoting. 5. If they make a purchase at this site through your affiliate link, you'll get a commission. The percentage varies according to the program. What's cool about it is that your prospects do not necessarily have to make a purchase right away for you to make money. Most affiliates, not all affiliate programs are created equal, will have software that tracks your prospects so that if they come back, say, 3 months later, and make a purchase, you'll still make money. No geniuses allowed. You don't have to be a John Reese, a big-time internet marketer, to make big money with affiliate programs. In fact, if you're a John Reese, you shouldn't be watching this video. Most affiliate programs are designed with the beginners in mind. In fact, you can promote a product without being an expert on the product. Leave that to the one who owns the product you're trying to promote. All you have to do is pick a winning affiliate program that has a proven track record. Some affiliate programs will even provide you with pre-written emails, banners, text links, and free ebooks that you can brand and promote. Planting seeds. Think of affiliate programs as the planting seedlings. Besides from the fact that you can make some money while promoting affiliate programs, you're building a list, customer base that can make you money again and again in the future. What you're doing is really building relationships with your list. You can do this by sending follow-up emails, newsletters, etc. Once your seeds are planted, you can promote other affiliate products, or even your own to your list. Naturally, the bigger the list, the better. Keep nurturing your list and it'll pay big dividends for you. Understand the importance of building a list. If there's one thing that you get out of this video, it is this: you must build a list. How can you promote anything if you have a zero customer base? If you're going to make mistakes, might as well make them here. Just because affiliate programs are easy to implement and the fastest way to make money, doesn't mean you're not going to make mistakes along the way. You will make mistakes. John Reese made mistakes. Babe Ruth made plenty of them. Every successful person makes mistakes. But since this will be your training ground, you might as well make your mistakes here. But more importantly, learn from them. The mistakes you make promoting affiliate programs will prepare you to bigger things like creating and promoting your own products, becoming a master marketer. Building assets. Looking at the big picture, you're learning valuable skills to build assets. Use the skills you learn to continuously create multiple sources of income. You can start making money today if you follow these steps. Let the idea of building a list sink in your mind. It can produce both instant gratification and a perpetual cash machine if you set it up right. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And if you are new to the channel, please smash the subscribe button. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation for making money online, click the link below the video. With that, this is LT with 7citiesmarketing.com. See you on the next video. Goodbye.